Good morning, dear students. Myself, Praveen. I am the math teacher of JDM High School, Hubli. So today we are going to learn one of the topic from algebra, that is algebraic expressions. This is the unit number 2. So, as you know, already people have learned the basic things about algebra as well as algebraic expressions in your 7th standard. Today, we have to learn still more information about algebraic expressions. First one. Introduction. Introduction is nothing but on what basis, on what terms, otherwise on what all things we are going to learn in the algebraic expressions. That is nothing but introduction. Here we are going to learn first variables, next constants, then algebraic terms. First one, variable. So as you know, variable is nothing but literal terms. So literal terms are nothing but the term which do not have a fixed value. A term which do not have a fixed value, that term is called variable, otherwise literal terms. For example, A, B, C, D, Z. From A to the Z, we can call them as a variable. Means these terms, otherwise these values do not have a fixed value. Next, we come to the constants. Constants are nothing but the term, otherwise the thing which has a fixed value. For example, numbers 1, 2. So we can take up to the 10. These are called constants, whether a positive or we can take them as a negative. Next thing is algebraic terms. The algebraic term is something like this is the combination of a variable and constant. Variables, constants, and algebraic terms. Algebraic terms are nothing but combination of a variable and constant. Means we can select one variable like the a and one constant like a 2. So 2a is one of the algebraic term. Or we can take one more term, minus 3b. Here minus 3 is the constant and b is the variable. Next we will go to the main topic, that is algebraic expressions. Yes. Up to this is the introduction about algebraic expression. In introduction, variables will come, constants will come, as well as algebraic terms will come. Now, your exact topic will start from algebraic expressions. The first one is, what is meant by algebraic expression? Expression is nothing but two or more algebraic terms. Two or more algebraic terms separated by plus or minus sign. So that expression, otherwise that equation is called algebraic expression. For example, 2a plus 3b, 4a minus 5b. And here 2a is one of the algebraic term, 3b is also another algebraic term separated by plus sign. This total combination is called algebraic expression. And one more example, 4a minus 5b. And here the expression is totally dependent upon plus or minus sign, not on the multiplication and division sign. So the next point is, so up to here you people have learned variables do not have a fixed value. Example ABCD. Constants means numbers. So these are having the fixed values. Algebraic terms. This is the combination of variable and constant. Next, algebraic expression is nothing but the combination of two or more algebraic terms. For example, 2a plus 3b or 4a minus 5b. The next point is types of an algebraic expressions. Yes. Types of an algebraic expressions. So here we are having mainly three types. The first one is monomial, and second one is binomial, and third one is trinomial, and last one is polynomial. These are the types of an algebraic expression. The first one monomial, second one binomial, third one trinomial, and finally polynomial. So let us go to their definitions. First one, monomial. The statement only says mono is nothing but single, nomial means nothing but term. Means an algebraic expression which contains only one term is called monomial. An algebraic expression which contains only one term is called monomial. For example, 2a means 2a is not separated by plus or minus. That's why we can easily call it as a monomial. Second one, xy. This is one of the monomial. And third one, 2xyz. So totally four terms are there, but they are not separated by a plus or minus. So totally four terms will come under the monomial. So let us go to the binomial. Yes. Second one, binomial. What is meant by binomial? An algebraic expression which contains exactly two terms. So binomial is nothing but 2. And algebraic expression which contains exactly two terms is called binomial. For example, a plus b x minus y, ab plus bc, 2a plus 3b, etc. Means a and b are the two algebraic terms separated by one single sign, that is plus. Here x and y are the two algebraic terms separated by a single sign minus, and here b and bc are the two terms separated by plus sign, and finally 2a plus 3b separated by the sign plus. Understood? So next we will go to the trinomial. Trinomial, same. Mono means single, binomial means double terms, trinomial means how many terms? Three terms. Here, an algebraic expression which contains exactly three terms. Exactly three terms is called trinomial. So in name only is there. Let's try. Y is nothing but 3, y is nothing but 2, mono is nothing but single term. And here, how will we give the example? A plus B plus C. A, B and C. These three are the three different algebraic terms separated by how many signs? Two signs. So it is called trinomial. So can you give one more example? 2a plus 3b minus 4c. So in between these two we can take plus or minus, but don't take multiplication or division sign. Understood? Okay. And finally, polynomial. So polynomial is nothing but monomial, binomial and trinomials are called polynomial. It is totally dependent upon positive power or positive exponent. So the polynomial is not a type of algebra expression, but in polynomial we can easily take monomial examples, binomial examples, trinomial examples. But the polynomial is totally dependent upon positive power or positive exponent. For example, x square. So x square is a polynomial because x is the base and 2 is the exponent, especially positive exponent, but not negative. For example, if you take one more like a to the power minus 2, a is the base, but exponent is what? Negative. So it will not become a polynomial. Clear? So first one, types of algebra expressions: monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Monomial, single term; binomial, two terms; trinomial, three terms. The group of monomial, binomial and trinomial are called polynomial. It's clear? Okay. Let us go to one more type. First, let's go to one more point, that is like terms and unlike terms. Okay, the first point is like terms, and the second point unlike terms. So how you will define the like and unlike terms? So the name only says like is nothing but, especially in algebra. Otherwise, in algebraic expression, we are dependent on the expressions. In like, two or more algebraic terms having same base and same exponent are called like terms. Once again, I will explain. Two or more. For example, a, 2a, 3a. These three are the algebraic terms having same variable like a. Then their exponents are also same. A to the power 1, a to the power 1, a to the power 1. Here you can answer the question. 2 and 3 is there. Like term is totally dependent upon the variable but not on the constants. So we can take one more step. That is x squared, 3x squared, then 5x squared. Here, x squared is one of the algebraic terms, 3x squared is also one of the algebraic terms, and 5x squared is also one of the algebraic terms. And here, x to the power 2, x to the power 2, x to the power 2 means all the variables are same along with their powers, or exponents are also same. These kind of terms are called like terms. Clear? So unlike term is totally opposite to the like. Here we can take three groups of unlike terms. First one, group number 1, a, 2a and 3a is there. Means all the variables are same here. Just you have to change their powers like this. The first type, all the variables are same. What are the exponents? 3, 2, 1. So the exponents are different. So this is one of the best example of unlike term. Second, same variables and different exponents. Then a, b, c. Otherwise 2a, 3b, 4c. A, B, C are the three different variables and the exponents are same here. This is also one of the unlike term because all three variables are same. A is there, B is there, C is there. All three variables are different. A is different, B is different, and C is different, but the exponents are same. Means here the bases are same, exponents are different. Exponents are same, bases are different. This is also just example for unlike them. And final one more is there. That is A cube with the power 4 and c to the power 5. Bases are different as well as the exponents are also different. So these kind of algebraic terms, otherwise set of algebraic terms are called unlike terms. So why we have discussed this like and unlike in the next thing, but the operations on algebraic expressions totally depend upon like and unlike terms. It's nothing but if you are adding them to algebraic terms, these totally depend upon like terms. And subtraction also totally depend upon the like terms, but multiplication and division is depend upon like or unlike term. Understood? So next, comma system. First one, define variable. Second, constants. And third one, algebraic term. And fourth one, algebraic expressions. And second one, define and give 5 examples each. First one, monomial. Second one, binomial. And third one, trinomial. Yes. Just write the definition of variable and just write the definition. If you need, write the example. Otherwise, no need. Just write the definitions of variable, constants, algebraic term, algebraic expressions. In the second statement, define and give 5 examples each. Define the monomial and give 5 examples. Define binomial, give 5 examples. Define trinomial and give 5 examples. In the next class, we will go to the operations on algebraic expressions. Thank you. Be home and be safe.